Hello Coyotes, my name is Wyatt and this video will be a visual walkthrough on how to navigate as well as customize our InsideCC page. To begin, we can go ahead and start on the main InsideCC homepage, and once we have found ourselves here, we can navigate to the InsideCC tab at the top of the page on the main navigation bar. Once we have found the InsideCC tab, we can go ahead and click on it, and this should bring us to the main InsideCC page. This may first prompt us to log in with our InsideCC email and password, but once we have successfully logged in, we can see and access everything on the InsideCC page. To start, one of the most important components of the InsideCC page is the card menu as we scroll down. We can see an arrangement of different cards, and each card serves their own specific function. We can see that each card is labeled based off of the function that they serve. For example, this card here is labeled as Canvas, and the function that it serves is if we click on this card, it will take us to the Canvas webpage where we can view all of our classes. Now that we have navigated to the main card menu and we have talked about what cards are, we can see that we are currently under the Home tab on the InsideCC page. This is important because this is where we can view all of the cards that we currently have bookmarked. So, if you ever come across an issue where you are looking for a specific card or a specific name of a card, then this is where you will go to View All Cards, and this is where you can see all of the available cards that InsideCC has to offer. If you find a card that you wish to add to your Home tab, you can go ahead and click on this bookmarked icon and check it, and then it will prompt you with a message saying that the card is successfully saved. You can tell that if a card is bookmarked if this icon is filled in. Let's say this is the card that we wanted to add to our Home tab, and let's go back and click on the InsideCC icon to go back to our Home tab. What's important here is that after clicking back on our Home tab, the card that we just bookmarked is now the first card on the menu. This means that we can actually customize the arrangement of these cards on our Home tab. This is important because this means that our customization of our Home tab is unique to our account and may look different from other accounts. You can customize your Home tab however best you see fit. To further customize your Home tab, you can either get rid of a bookmarked card by unchecking the bookmark icon, and it will get rid of it immediately. You can also change the arrangement by hovering over the white space of a specific card, clicking and holding down, and then you can move with your mouse cursor to change the arrangement of these cards. You can also make this arrangement by clicking on these three dots of a specific card and choosing to either move it backwards or move it forwards. However you arrange your Home tab is unique to yourself and your account, and will save the next time that you log in to InsideCC. In addition, there is this navigation bar here at the top with other tabs besides Home. These tabs essentially serve as filters and are specific to the name of the tab. So for example, if we are a InsideCC employee and we are looking for all of the employee specific cards, then we can go ahead and click on the employee tab and it will filter all of the different cards that are related to employees. If we go ahead and go back to Home, I will show you one additional feature that may be useful for customizing your Home tab. And if we scroll down to find the card with the name of web links, then we can go ahead and add a new link, and that means that we can access any links in this card that will be useful to us and will make things much more convenient. And we can go ahead and do that if we go to the Saracosa website, and let's just say, for example, that we want to add the link for Campus Life to this card. We can go ahead and click, copy the link for exactly what the page that we are looking for, and then we can go ahead and navigate back to our home page in InsideCC, and then we can click Add a new link, and here it'll prompt us with a menu saying to add a link title, and this is just what the link will display as, and we can go ahead and say Campus Life, and then we can paste the copied URL into the link URL. If we go ahead and click Add, this will add a specific link and works very much like a bookmark will on any search engine. Hopefully this was all helpful and you have a better idea of how to navigate and customize your InsideCC menu. For additional information, help, or guidance, you can refer to the information above me. Hopefully this was helpful, and you have a great rest of your day.